Are you tired of feeling mentally foggy and forgetful? What if I told you that the secret to a sharper, more vibrant brain could be hiding in simple vitamins and nutrients? Stay tuned, because today we're diving into the groundbreaking revelations from top health experts about the best brain vitamins and nutrients that could change your life. We've all had those days where our brain just doesn't seem to cooperate, right? Whether it's forgetting where you left your keys or struggling to concentrate at work, we've all been there. But here's some exciting news. Experts have identified specific vitamins and nutrients that can significantly boost your brain power, enhance memory, and clear up that annoying brain fog. We've done the hard work of sifting through mountains of research to bring you the most reliable, expert-backed information. So, get ready to jot down some notes, because you're about to discover the best brain vitamins and nutrients that could be a game changer for your mental clarity and overall brain health. Let's get started. Now, we all know eating whole foods is the best way to load up on those brain-boosting goodies. But let's be real, sometimes it's not that easy to get everything from food alone. That's where supplements can step in. They can be a real lifesaver in certain situations. So you might be wondering, what vitamins are we talking about here? And how can you make sure you're getting enough of them in your diet? Well, stick around, because some experts are about to spill the beans on everything you need to know to feed your brain right. All right, first up we have omega-3 fatty acids, which are pretty awesome for your brain. Ever wondered why everyone keeps saying you should eat fatty fish like salmon and tuna? Here's a cool fact. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These are not just any fats, they're the good kind, unsaturated and super helpful for your brain. They're like a shield against inflammation and play a big part in building your brain's cell membranes. But wait, there's more. Omega-3s are also linked to reducing beta amyloid levels. That's the protein found in people with Alzheimer's-related brain changes. They're kind of like brain superheroes because they can zip through the blood-brain barrier and make sure your brain's structure and functioning are top-notch. There's also some research suggesting that after a concussion or a traumatic brain injury, a good dose of omega-3s might help protect your brain from long-term damage. So, where can you find these brain-boosting omega-3s? Apart from the obvious fatty fish, you can get them from nuts and seeds, and even some fortified foods like eggs and yogurt. And hey, if you're not a big fan of seafood, it's a good idea to chat with your doctor about omega-3 supplements, especially if your blood work shows you're running low on them. Now let's chat about the B vitamins. Think of them as the brainy trio: B6, B12, and B9, also known as folate. These guys are super important for your brain to work its best. If you're running low on them, you might notice your memory isn't what it used to be, or you might find it harder to think clearly. So what's the big deal with these B vitamins? Well, they're like the brain's messengers. They help boost the production of neurotransmitters, which are like little couriers sending messages from your brain to your body and back. Getting more B12, especially from supplements, can be a real game changer for your memory, especially as you get older. It turns out a lot of older folks don't get enough of this nutrient. Where do you find these brainy Bs? Beans are your go-to for all kinds of B vitamins. For B6, munch on bananas, oranges, papayas, cantaloupes, tuna, salmon, poultry, and those yummy dark leafy greens. Folate loves to hang out in broccoli, greens, whole grains, eggs, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. And B12, it's mostly in meat and fish, but if you're vegan or vegetarian, don't worry. Nutritional yeast and fortified whole grains have got your back. Plant-based diets do have a higher risk of B12 deficiency, so it might be worth having a chat with your doctor or a dietitian to see if a B12 supplement should be on your shopping list. Next up, let's talk about vitamin E. This one's a bit of a superhero in the vitamin world. Think of it as your body's own personal bodyguard, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. That's the kind of damage caused by free radicals, which are these unstable little molecules that can cause trouble in your body, even in the brains of people with Alzheimer's disease. And guess what? Your brain is especially vulnerable to this kind of stress, which tends to get worse as we age and can lead to cognitive decline. But there's more. Vitamin E is also a bit like a peacekeeper. It's anti-inflammatory, which means it helps keep your DNA in tip-top shape and ensures your brain cells' membranes stay healthy and strong. So where can you find this awesome vitamin? It's hanging out in dark leafy greens, avocados, red bell peppers, asparagus, mangoes, pumpkins, and in nuts and seeds. It's like a tasty treasure hunt for your brain. All right, let's chat about vitamin C, which you probably know as the go-to vitamin for boosting your immune system. But here's something you might not know. Vitamin C is also a big deal for your brain. Along with other flavonoids, it helps keep your brain in shape, partly by fighting off brain-damaging inflammation. There was this one study where they found that people who ate vitamin C-rich strawberries at least once a week had a lower chance of developing Alzheimer's over a nearly 20-year period. Pretty impressive, right? So, where can you load up on this brain-loving vitamin? Well, kiwis got loads of it, and so do red and green bell peppers, all sorts of citrus fruits, berries, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and tomatoes. It's like a vitamin C party and your brain's totally invited. Okay, what about supplements for brain health? It's a bit of a hot topic, and to be honest, experts have mixed feelings about it. Most of them think it's better to spend your cash on good, nutritious food. But hey, there are always exceptions, right? Here's the deal. If you're someone who can't eat certain foods, like maybe seafood or dairy just isn't your thing, or if your doctor finds out you're missing some nutrients in your blood, then yeah, a dietary supplement might be a good idea. Otherwise, for most people, eating a well-balanced diet should do the trick. Now, if you do decide to go down the supplement route, it's super important to team up with a healthcare or nutrition pro who really knows their stuff about supplements. Why? Because a lot of these products come with fancy ads and big promises that they might not actually deliver. Plus, remember, supplements aren't regulated by the Food and Drug Administration. But don't worry, if your doctor or dietitian gives the green light for a supplement, there are some solid options out there. Look for ones that have a seal of approval from places like Consumer Lab, NSF International, or the U.S. Pharmacopeal Convention. This means they've been tested and verified for quality, purity, and potency, and that they really contain what they say they do. If you're thinking about giving brain-boosting supplements a shot, there's a variety of them you could consider. 1. For better blood flow, there's stuff like ginkgo biloba. It's like a little traffic cop for your blood flow, making sure everything's moving smoothly up to your brain. 2. Building blocks of the brain. You've got your omega-3 fatty acids. These are like the bricks and mortar keeping your brain sturdy and strong. 3. Neurotransmitter builders. Then there's L-theanine. It's like the construction worker inside your body, helping to build those all-important neurotransmitters. 4. Longevity nutrients. These are the heroes fighting against the clock. Stuff like B vitamins and vitamins C, D, A, E, and K. They're your brain's best friends in staying sharp as you age. But hey, here's the thing. While supplements are cool, the real star of the show should be eating healthy, nutrient-packed foods. And remember, what you eat is just one part of the whole brain health puzzle. Don't forget the other pieces like regular exercise, getting plenty of sleep, and staying socially active. All this stuff combined is your secret weapon for keeping your brain sharp and lowering your chances of Alzheimer's and dementia. Keep all these in check, and your brain's going to thank you big time. We'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to brain-boosting foods or supplements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going and share some brainy tips with each other. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. See you in the next video.